Hey there, smooth speakers. This is Jason from Australia. I joined Pro 90D about 3 weeks ago, and I just had a consultation with Michael a few days ago and thought that I would create a video to share my progress so far and to talk about what I've been doing. So, like all of you, I've been doing my formal training every day for about 30 minutes. 30 to 45 minutes, and really trying to focus on modeling Michael in that 30-second excerpt. Now, I've only recently gained the courage to practice modeling and to implement what I was learning in each of the sessions that I was listening to in my everyday conversations. And really, it was really difficult to do it at first, and really exhausting, and I could only do it in about 20% of my conversations in any given day, because it was just so tiring and exhausting. But I pushed through it so that I could learn to develop strategies, or find some strategies that I could use to instigate and trigger my new speaking style effortlessly. So the first thing I do is I make a conscious effort to lower the tone of my voice, and funny enough, it works. And this came about from me watching a session where Michael spoke about the differences between your presentation voice and your conversation voice. So I make a conscious effort to lower the tone of my voice, and this helps me become aware that I should be modeling. Now, the second thing I do is take a pause each and every time before I speak, whether it's to answer a question or to instigate a conversation. And this helps to so that I don't succumb to that impulse in the brain that makes me want to jump out and share my thought the moment that I have it. Now, I don't like to do that, because then my speech becomes choppy and I forget to model. So that's the second thing. I pause. I take a few moments just to pause and to think about the message that I want to deliver. The third thing that I do is I really make a conscious effort to slow down, extend my words, and inflect a little more. This is great because it helps me build that momentum that I need to transition from one word to the next and from one phrase to the next. So I find that really helps as well. And it improves it gives the person that I'm speaking to the ability to be engaged with me. It also allows me to enjoy speaking for the first time in a long time. When I have really great speaking moments, I really enjoy speaking for the first time in a long time. I haven't felt that way. I can't even remember the last time I remember feeling that way. So it's been great. These are the three things that I've been doing. And so I thought I might ask people who are close to me whether or not they have found or seen a change in the way that I speak. So I went away and asked my mum and my partner. Now, my mum said that it is clear that I speak differently because I've slowed my speech down. I've slowed that down, and I'm much more concise in my delivery than I ever have been. And so that was really pleasing for me to hear. Now, my partner said that there's definitely a difference in the way that I speak. However, sorry, I dropped my phone then. However, she isn't sure that she likes it yet. And that's quite funny. I guess because maybe she's accustomed to hearing me speak one way. But I guess over time, the more that I use my new speaking style, the more that she'll become accustomed to it, and the more that she'll enjoy speaking with me and listening to me. So anyway, I have taken up a lot of your time. It has been a great joy to speak with you all today and share my progress with you. I hope to hear more about your progress as you navigate your way through Pro 90D with your new speaking style. All right, and I'll see you later, guys.